What it do, Juice Crew? I am back with another video, and this time I'm doing something a little different than usual. I ain't doing no music. I ain't doing no requests. I'm doing one of my favorite YouTube channels, ADD, which is All Def Digital. If you are not familiar with it, get familiar with it. Hilarious people, hilarious content. If you have not heard of this channel after this video, I promise you, you will watch it. You will want to go watch it. They do like just, if you watch Dormtainment, it's like them, but it's way better. This is Uncle Russ and his people, so it's way, way, way better. So I'm gonna be looking at their Roast Me compilation. Now, those of you who are unfamiliar with the term roast, that's when you make fun of someone. In Memphis, we call it checking, flaming, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so without further ado, let's jump straight into this video.
Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Teddy Rare. Y'all watching the top moments of Roast Me, Season 1, here on All Def Digital.
This shit's so fun. I ain't never watched like Season 1. They always say something about
like
him.
a Grand Theft Auto loading screen. Then the shoes came with a WCW Intercontinental belt. Like, I'm the tag team champion, huh? I'm the tag team champion.
Chanel got this in the later episodes.
Like a meat avalanche. You look like you let niggas take bathroom breaks in your mouth.
Whoa, god damn. Whoa, wait a minute. Let me take my hoodie off.
If I hooked you up to a lie detector and asked you if you liked your outfit, the machine would blow up.
That's my favorite roaster, Craig Smith. The Bud Light Skin is my favorite roaster.
Her hair looked like a center in a midget league.
What? What?
You lost so much weight, your upper body looks circumcised.
Nate was like Precious brother, appreciate.
Damn, Precious brother, appreciate. Wow.
The lunch lady with a mixtape.
Nobody's gonna say he built like a bag of oatmeal.
Really, nigga, you supposed to be the host?
I'm hosting. I'm trying to host these niggas into better spirit, nigga.
Yeah,
You got
you
Velcro
look
on
like
your,
a dirty bag of laundry.
your gums look like love seat cushions. Hella relaxation jumping off of your gums, nigga.
Precious look like she smoked stress and read dick pics.
What?
And read dick pics? How do you read a dick pic? Oh, that go one vein, two veins.
Yo, some bullshit. You look like you beat all your bitches up.
This is domestic Daniel right here.
We'll need to take them bullshit off. No limit shorts off.
The P. Miller? The Bout It 2000s, nigga.
Check out the dunk on his shirt.
You got a hairline like Birdman.
To hear let two niggas make a student film about the inside of his booty hole.
What? What?
I'm looking at the producers like, ain't nobody gonna stop this?
Craig like he eat TV dinners every day. hungry man eating that.
Hey, them TV dinners used to be fire. The Salisbury steak joint from Banquet with the potatoes and the corn. You take some of the sauce from the Salisbury steak, put it on the potato. Man, y'all better stop acting like y'all brand new. Shit.
I can't wait to get the meatloaf.
The meatloaf with the M&M's. What you gotta do is film it back and poke a hole in it. Looking ass nigga.
Fastest way to cook it.
Looking ass.
Doughboy body spread like that shit.
I think it's always funny when two fat people check, because it's like the joke you say can go back on you. So it's always fucking comedy gold when fat people check.
Hey, grab this in.
They look like a fitted sheet.
That feel like garlic.
Damn.
That's hilarious. Oh, snap!
Damn!
Lane Bryant is a female plus size.
Oh, Ashley Stewart.
Wow.
Torrent shopping ass nigga.
Torrent?
They on his ass. I remember watching that camping episode. Y'all need to go watch that camping episode. That shit
And
funny.
Teddy Ray the same person.
Hey, just take the wig off.
Wow.
It's jersey. It's green screen. Hey, this nigga playing himself.
Don C is here because she thought it was roast beef.
Damn. Tony Rock is not funny to me at all.
Exactly, can we get that sweater of yours burned, that poncho? You looking like a thick ass teepee.
When I bought it, I was like, I'm half Cherokee. That's what I told the nigga at JC Penney.
Like half the whole tribe?
Right.
This nigga Brandon like a semi-successful crackhead, though.
Wow.
You put your freckles on with eyeliner. Hello? Hello? Yeah, I'm here, yeah.
That trick jumped on the phone.
On the
Hell
back
no.
legs of this chair, they wobble a little bit. Come and get me. Come and get me. Come pick me up. Come pick me up. Just come get me. Come get me.
Mr. Butterworth, nigga.
You ain't never seen a 3-liter in Shasta?
Y'all got the same outfit on.
Damn.
You really look
They
like
do.
that, nigga.
Like Mr. Butterworth.
You do look like a tribal beanbag.
That's a good
That
one.
wasn't that funny.
That's a good one, though, boy.
Hold on, this nigga Clint like he about to audition for Raisin in the Sun.
Damn.
Nigga low-key Clint's having a bad day and niggas is still roasting him.
He sat over there.
Hey, why does nigga Clint sit in the colored section?
That man just said Clint sitting in the colored section. If that ain't fucked up. That shit walked up.
Fooling like a black t-shirt wearing a gray t-shirt.
Black jokes getting played out by.
Brody's face is every before picture on Proactive.
He said that like every week.
Damn.
It's cool, it's cool.
But you have acne every week, so that's
Blow
your face up when clear jokes come.
I said you got a face like a fruit bag.
I want to tell you something about the other day. That shit is funny. He always asking some shit out. These reels is not funny to me.
like you start every sentence with girl.
And that's it, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching the top moments of this season of Roast Me. Leave in the comments below if you want to see
Man, I
a
feel like that was
season
kind of
2.
fast.
Doesn't matter where, doesn't matter when. We will roast anybody, any place. We will roast Magic Johnson's son at a strip club. All-female strip club, and watch him sweat. But thank y'all so much. Teddy Ray, signing out.
That nigga Doughboy suck his own titties while he fixing sandwiches, nigga.
That was kind of far, buddy. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed it. And just a little heads up, if you see on my video some weird stuff on the background, like it's like whitish kind of sometimes, like depending on how I move, please disregard that. The sun hits my equipment and it like fucks up everything. That's why I like to record at night, so disregard that. But like I said, guys, don't forget to check out this page for more roast me stuff. And if you got things you want me to react to outside of music, drop them in there. Drop them in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our podcast on Apple Music, Google Play, Anchor, Pocket Cast, and it's on our YouTube. We go live on YouTube and Facebook at the same time when we do our podcast. We tune in to comments and everything, and we respond, we interact. Excuse me. We respond, we interact, and all that good stuff. So, without further ado, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Juice Crew!